Eptura Asset. You might be wondering what exactly it is and what it offers you. Well, today we're going to dive in and we're going to answer all of your questions. So let's do it. So in a nutshell, Eptura Asset is a powerful software that simplifies physical asset management. It centralizes tracking and maintenance to boost efficiency and cut costs. You can manage all of your assets from one easy platform. You also get centralized asset tracking. So you can track assets in real time using barcode scanning, RFID, or even manual input if that's the best way. You prevent losses and theft with more precise location data. You can also monitor movement, assignments, and inventory levels easily. You can gain full visibility to ensure optimal resource use. You can also see over here that it does have proactive maintenance management. So you can create maintenance schedules, you can plan preventative upkeep to extend asset lifespan effectively, you can assign technician tasks, you can allocate work efficiently and ensure accountability with task tracking, and you can receive automated alerts, timely notifications that can help you avoid costly repairs and downtime. The last thing that we're going to have a look at here is their optimized asset utilization. So you can actually analyze usage patterns to optimize resource allocation and spending. You can consolidate inventory and improve ROI by relocating assets. And you can make more informed procurement decisions to cut any unnecessary expenses. So there you go, folks. That's software in a nutshell. You can go ahead and drop a like if this video was helpful. If you'd like to know more, you can visit their website, and we will see you in another awesome video.